Hi, today I'd like to show you the Federal Student Aid website and give you a short overview of some of the different parts of the site. Start out by typing in studentaid.gov. The .gov means that it's a government website and it's a legit site that's safe to go to. When doing anything financial aid related, make sure that you're on a government website. Otherwise, it could be a business, someone trying to take advantage of you. It's a page where you potentially could end up entering secure information that you would not want in the hands of the wrong people. So always make sure before you enter your social security number, your address, any personal information, make sure that it's a secure site. So, studentaid.gov. So this is the Federal Student Aid Office of Department of Education's website. On here you can do many different things. So up at the top, understand aid. So you can click on these different links to learn how financial aid works, the different types of financial aid eligibility to find out if you can qualify, and then you can estimate if you could receive financial aid. Remember, financial aid is something that you can apply for. It's your choice to apply. You do not have to. But it would be smart to apply to see if you could receive some sort of assistance from the government to help support you while you further your education. So under each of these links, it's neatly organized. There's other websites that go along with them. There's videos. So play around with this website and see if you can learn a little bit more about financial aid. So that's under that section. The next one is apply for aid. This is where you can click to actually be linked to the complete the FAFSA form. So it will bring you right to the application. So again, notice we're still on a secure site. It's the GOV site. And you could go through and click here to start the application. Or if you already have an application started, you could click login and continue on where you left off. Okay. Also under here, there's some other loans. Perhaps you're a grad student, a parent, different loans that you might be interested in. You could click there. This, complete the aid process. This would be after you have completed your FAFSA form or application. You could go on here to learn more about the different aid that you have been granted or offered. And then this would be once you do accept any of the loans or financial aid, you could go on here to manage them. So that's a little bit about this main page. Also on the bottom, it's worth noting that if you are interested in doing a little bit more research, if you're considering going to college or a career school, there's some different topics down here that might be of interest to you that you could use to do a little bit more research. If you're currently in school, working towards a degree or a certificate, there's some other topics. If you are a parent, more topics. And if you already have loans that you need to repay, there'd be more topics there. So play around on this website a little bit and hopefully you learn more about federal student aid.